Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Boba Mahjong. This delightful two-player card game challenges you to craft the best bubble tea. You'll be collecting various ingredient cards and forming special sets to earn points. It's a unique blend of strategy and fun, perfect for a quick game with a friend. Let's dive into the setup and learn how to brew up some winning boba. To begin, each player takes a summary card and 5 cards for their starting hand. Next, 3 cards are revealed face-up to create the mixing pile. Any 0 cards drawn here are reshuffled. The rest of the cards form the supply deck. The player who most recently enjoyed a boba drink gets to go first. The objective is to be the first to reach 30 points or more across several rounds. On your turn, you have a choice. Draw 2 cards from the supply deck or take 1 face-up card from the mixing pile. After your first draw, you can either draw again or create up to 3 sets. A set consists of 3 cards, which can be a 3 of a kind, a numerical straight, or 3 topping cards. Remember, 0 cards are wild and can substitute for any number in a set. After creating a set, you'll choose 1 card to keep for your scoring area, and the other 2 cards return to the mixing pile. At the end of a round, you select up to 6 scoring cards. Points are awarded for categories like freshness, smoothness, complexity, and presentation. The game continues over multiple rounds until one player accumulates 30 or more points, and the player with the highest score wins.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.